Hey folks, I just wanted to make a real quick video today in case you're having some trouble with the door on your LG dishwasher. Now, in particular, mine is model number LDF7774ST, but I believe this is the same process and same procedure for many styles of LG dishwashers. So the symptom here is when I open the door, and it just wants to fall. And as you can see on this side, you'll see a spring and a nylon cord. And let me take you over to the other side to show you what the issue is. Okay, so you can see on this side the spring broke, right? It's supposed to be attached to this cord, but it broke, so now the door is only being supported by the one side. So what I did was I researched the part number, found the part number, went out on Amazon, and of course they have it, so I ordered a new set of springs, and I also did order a new set of nylon cords. This one's getting a little bit frayed. Now these are compatible with many different LG dishwashers. I'll try to put a list of them in the video's description. I'll also put a link to, of course, both of these things. And since I'm an Amazon Prime member, this was one of the items offered free overnight delivery. So they'll be here in a little bit, and I'll get showing you how to do the swap out here in just a little bit. So I just got home from work and the parts are in, and I held them up against the originals, and it looks like they're going to work out just fine. So let's get these put on. So the first thing I'm going to do is just remove the spring. Now this dishwasher has two slots, so just make sure you remember what slot it was in. I'm going to install the new spring. Now the next thing I need to do is remove the nylon cord. Now as you can see, I can't bend it around, but if you just open the dishwasher door, you'll be able to bend it around. Then it just lifts off that hook. Slide the new one on. Around the pulley, give this a tug. That's simple. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around to the other side and swap it out, then I'll show you how the door operates. All right, so real quick, as you can see, the door is working perfectly. If I bring it down past the pivot point, it will stay open. So I'm hoping you found my video before you paid for a service call. This is a very simple repair, and my wife will be happy the dishwasher is fixed. Thanks for watching. Please give me a like.